When I think of Greek food, I always think it's casual, it's fresh, it's outdoors. It's going to be really nice. My friends, the Greenwalds, know I'm bringing dinner. They don't know what I'm bringing, so I'm going to surprise them. So I've got Greek lamb with tzatziki. I thought, Greek salad. This I can make in my sleep. So first the vinaigrette. Half a cup of olive oil. That should be about right. Quarter of a cup of red wine vinegar. I always like to use a good red wine vinegar. Just smell it. You'll know if it's good. Half a teaspoon of good Dijon mustard. One teaspoon of oregano. You know, usually I use fresh herbs, but in the case of oregano, I think it's really strong. So what I do is I take dried oregano and then just crush it between my hands, and it really releases the oils in it. It's one of the few herbs I think is actually too strong fresh. Oregano, teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and of course garlic. I've got 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Just whisk it all together. Okay, that's good. Next, the vegetables. First thing is 1 hothouse cucumber, then just cut the cucumber in big, thick slices. Next, 1 red pepper, large diced, and 1 yellow pepper, large diced. I think they taste so much better than green peppers. Okay, next, tomatoes. I'm just gonna cut each tomato in half. And just toss it right in. In Greece, they usually chop large tomatoes into chunks, but I like to use a box of really good cherry tomatoes. Just cut them in half. They're so sweet and intensely flavorful. Okay, that's the tomatoes. Next is red onion. I actually use red onion because I think it's a little sweeter than yellow onion. Half a cup of Kalamata olives. They're Greek olives, and of course, a Greek salad demands Greek olives. They're already pitted. And next, the vinaigrette. Just toss it all together. Just pour on enough so that the whole salad is moistened. That's about the whole thing. That should be it. Just give it a big toss. All these gorgeous vegetables. It's going to taste so good. And the last thing I'm going to put in is feta. Obviously, classic Greek ingredient, but I don't want to mix it too much because then it'll get crumbled. So I'm going to do big chunks of feta. For salad like this, I like to try and cut all the pieces in about the same sizes. I just think it gives it a really nice look. So it's about 2 cups of feta. It doesn't get any more delicious, and it's great for a big party. That's the Greek salad done.